This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Candy? Marmalade. Oh yeah, huh? What's that noise?
And then he was like, "What?" And I said,
Is that the school season already? Phew, it's too early for school. In fact, it's too early for everything.
"It's the early bird that catches the worm." Oh no, my books don't fit in this old backpack. It's ruined.
Barbie, are you crying? But why? Oh, what a disaster.
Hey guys, what's all the fuss about? Everything's going wrong. I've torn my bag apart. How am I gonna go to school now?
Oh, poor thing, don't worry. Sam and I will help you.
I'll take care of these, but I have to finish something first.
Huh? Hey, Sammy, where are you going with my stuff?
Don't worry, he just needs some beauty sleep.
Good morning. Hey, come on, Sue. That's mine.
Don't be such a grumpy head, Sammy. Haven't you slept enough to be full of energy? Get this! I decided to make a fashionable pretty skirt for Barbie to wear on the first school day.
Ooh, let's make her a skirt like ballerinas wear. I like them a lot.
You know I always like your ideas. But Barbie's not going into a dance school, so we'll make another skirt.
That's too bad. I always wanted to do ballet.
Well, it's never too late to make your dreams come true, you know?
I have a lot of dreams. I don't even know which one is the biggest.
Why am I not surprised?
Do you like ballet, Sue?
I do, but I think I'm a way better crafter than a ballerina. What do you say about this skirt?
I really like it, and it's of the best color ever. Pink!
I hope Barbie will like this skirt too.
I will hide it and it will be a surprise. Shiver me cheddars, what a mess! And what is this? Hey, Susie, check out what I found. You might need this for the outfit too.
Oh, it's perfect, Sammy. Thanks.
Wow. So, what is it gonna be?
Soon you will see that. Just be patient. Now, a few cuts, a little bit of sewing magic. And we've got ourselves a fancy top perfect for a successful day at school. It only needs a few more details.
My belly is hungry. Time for a snack. It's gonna be so tasty. Uh-oh, what is going on?
Oh no! Are you okay?
Hail Tibidaba, I am, and I found something.
Oh, that's just what this top needed. Well done, Sammy.
As always, Sue, as always.
Okay, now let's get to the headgear. Now, what can we use to make this thing strong enough?
I have a few thoughts. This is for strong teeth, for strong taste, and this is just what we need. Just apply and let it dry.
Wow, nice rhyming and great problem-solving skills. Maybe you have decor ideas too?
Maybe, huh? Give me a sec. Not this. No. See? There's no maybe about me.
Nice! But we are not done yet. Be careful working with scissors, guys. Now, it goes right here.
I have something else for you, Sue.
Great thinking, Sammy.
That's not all.
Oh, wow.
Now it really looks perfect.
Sammy? What's that?
I wanted to fix Barbie's backpack and, well...
I see. It doesn't look like it's fixable at all. Let's just make her a new one.
I think I can speed things up. All done. What do you think?
Cool. I'm sure Barbie will love this color a lot.
Just the color? It's a unique Tibidabian silk, just so you know.
Oh, right. Now, let's make sure Barbie can carry a lot of books at once.
I think it's worth adding more sparkle. Barbie is going to be very happy.
I agree. Let this backpack be bright.
Hey, I also have a few awesome stickers, so I thought we can really go wild.
I approve. With a backpack like this, Barbie will get a ton of compliments at school for sure.
I think we need to add more pink to our crafts. Let's see, what do we have? Ow! Duh!
Right, and I already know what to make. She needs a watch.
There's no way I'm letting her miss lunch.
Or to be late for her class.
Yeah, right.
I mean, being punctual is very important when it comes to school, isn't it?
Yeah. Just don't forget to make the dial.
Of course, Sammy. I'm on it.
Come on, let's put it together already.
Here we go. So elegant and tasteful.
Let me help. Uh-oh, I think they're stuck.
No, they are not. See?
Here, the extra protection won't hurt.
That's a great idea. You're very helpful today.
Tick-tock, tick-tock. There's not much time left. I'm exhausted. All that school talk wore me out. There, a refreshing, delicious soda.
Oh no, are you all right? You'd better be more careful, Sammy.
Don't you worry. It was just a little performance.
You're such a prankster. Anyway, let's get back to our crafts. This will be a pencil case for all the things you take notes with at school.
We better make it sturdy, Sue. Voila!
Thanks for the help, Sammy. Now this part goes here. Be careful with the hot glue, guys.
Sue, I read your mind. You need scissors, right?
You never cease to amaze me, Sammy. Now check this out.
It needs more decor, Sue. Here, I've got it all right here.
And here is the result.
At school, you need markers, too.
But they are too big. We'll make smaller ones.
Okay. Want to see a magic trick? Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribbidi.
Wow, good job, Sammy. And would you just look how perfectly it all fits in here? Wonderful! Barbie will be so happy.
Here, let me put it with her other stuff. Oh, come on! I don't want an airplane. I want a love heart. One more try and... nothing.
Let me help you with this.
Am I reading your mind again or what?
Oh, you most certainly are. So, this will be a notebook.
I've got the pages.
Thank you. I'm sure she'll be writing in it all the time.
Then let's make it pretty, so she doesn't get bored, you know.
I like the way you think. And our cute notebook is ready.
Actually, I made one more.
Awesome! I like how it turned out. Just let me add a small decoration.
I didn't know you read minds, too.
Only your mind, Sammy.
Oh, my feta! I totally need a snack break, and it's better be sweet. Candy, come to Papa. Hey, Sue, what to do with this?
Let me see. We can use it to make a lunchbox.
Then this is the most important craft today.
Oh, Sammy, you always think about food. But it is a very important thing at school. I'll give you that.
You're not gonna change my mind. That's the most important part.
Okay, whatever you say. Okay, now let's make something delicious to put into our lunchbox. How does a burger sound?
A tasty, juicy, yummy-looking burger.
I guess that means that you liked my idea? And done.
Oh, my precious. If only I could have lunch like that, too.
I'll make you a burger in a minute, okay, Sammy? And now, let's have a look at everything we've made.
careful, Oh, you will love it.
Now you can look.
Oh, wow! Is it all just for me? And the backpack? Amazing!
I'm glad you like it. Let's put everything inside, shall we? Everything fits perfectly.
And a new outfit, too? Unbelievable! I need to try these on right now!
See? I told you she would be amazed.
Well, how do I look?
Whoa! You look absolutely adorable. Oh.
Okay, last but not least, a stylish cap and your new beautiful watch, of course.
Thank you, guys. You're amazing. I'm gonna run to school now.
Yay! Great going, little buddy block.
They all want to have a go.
Remember, buddy blocks, you've got to take turns.
My buddy blocks get really excited.
We'll try and make sure everyone's buddy blocks get a fair go.
Well done.
They're all getting a bit wild in here.
It's got to be fair. Each different colour has got to have a chance.
I'm not sure the buddy blocks are being fair.
Well, one of yours is having a go now.
The buddy blocks are getting upset.
Is it right that another blue one's having a go?
Quiet!
Stand still a minute. We need to check which colours have had a go already.
Well, I don't know who's had a go already.
But we can find out. Look, we can see who has had a go already by looking at the marks. There's 1, 2 green marks, so my buddy blocks have had 2 goes.
And only 1 blue mark.
And there are 1, 2, 3 red marks. So my buddy blocks, you stand back and let a blue buddy block go next.
Lucky we had a record on the paper to show what had already happened.
That looks a bit fairer.
Blue or green go next.
Got to go! See you later!
We've got a call.
Agent 27 here. There's something going wrong.
But not for long.
Tell us the problem.
It's at the cafe.
Putting it on screen.
The girl hasn't got any food, and the boy has far too much.
He'll be sick.
And that poor girl will go hungry.
So will you send someone?
Definitely.
Thanks.
Okay, who should go?
4 was very worried about that girl.
Okay then, this is a mission for number 4.
We got a problem, what should we do? Who's going out there? Who do we choose? We got a problem, who's going out there?
Number 4.
Checking the room's clear. All clear.
Good luck!
Off you go! 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Scanning for a 4 to land on. Found a 4.
Oh, phew. Right, off I go.
Things are getting worse at the cafe.
What's going wrong?
Oh dear, she doesn't seem to have any idea who's ordered what food. And someone, or something, has torn the menu into little bits.
I hope you can help her, 4.
Oh, more things going wrong.
Agent 72 here. There's a problem at the school.
Putting it on screen.
The group has been cutting out shapes, but now it's time for the group to do something else.
So what's the problem?
Some of them say it should be football, but some of them say it should be television.
The teacher doesn't know whether more children want football or more want television.
And everyone seems very overexcited. Why?
I'm noticing something quite strange. Little bubbles.
Maybe the bubbles are making the children overexcited.
Looking closer.
Who could be making bubbles and making trouble?
I know. Look!
We know all about the puzzler.
Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Puzzler, he's got a twisted mind. It's bubbles, it's trouble. If you get trapped inside, together, stop thinking. If the puzzler has caused you, because if you can solve the puzzle out, the puzzle will solve you.
Puzzler, up to your tricks again?
Yes, I have got a puzzle for you. You've got some finding out to do. What is the problem for the waitress? You'd better come up with a great guess. It's the same problem for the teacher. Find what it is, or I will beat you.
Agents, why is it the same problem for the waitress and the teacher?
The thing is, they both don't know enough. The waitress doesn't know who has ordered what food, and the teacher doesn't know how many children want football and how many want television.
I get it! Both of them need the right information. The waitress needs information about the food people want.
And the teacher needs information about what the children want to do.
And the puzzler's bubbles are making everything go wild. So getting the information is impossible.
Oh dear. Without the right information, anything could happen. At the zoo, if they didn't have the right information about what animals like to eat, they might give leaves to the seals and throw fish to the giraffes. Or you might go shopping and not know what things you need and what you don't need. You might buy anything. Or people in a factory might not have the information on how to make a car and make it completely wrong. People definitely need the right information to know what to do.
Okay, that's worked out the first part of the puzzler's puzzle.
Oh, so you've worked it out, have you? Okay, 4, just tell me, do.
The waitress and the teacher need information to help them do the right thing.
Correct. Oh, now here's challenge number 2. How can the waitress know what to do?
Anybody? Any ideas? How can the waitress remember what food to give to people?
Maybe she could write it down.
Great idea.
Trouble is, the puzzler's bubbled her pad and pencil.
Is there any other way she could remember what food is needed?
Maybe she could use the bits of the menu.
Yes! Use the little pictures of the food to remind her what food to bring.
That's what we need to tell her.
I'll get the brain game machine going.
We've got to make sure she can remember the information she needs.
Brain game, to solve the problem, use our brain. No way to clean your brains all linking up together. Join your thinking, getting brain power now. Brain game.
Use pictures of food to remember the information.
Use the little pictures to remember the information.
She's going to get the orders.
The boy wants a pizza. The girl wants spaghetti. And their dad wants pizza too.
Oh, yes. She knows she needs 2 pizzas and 1 spaghetti. The waitress has got the information she needs to bring the right food.
You'd better go and sort the teacher.
Okay.
How's the teacher getting on? Oh dear, not very well.
Is there anything she could use to show who wants what?
I wonder, is there anything she could do with these cards? I'm sure they could be used somehow. Some of them are round. Some of them are rectangular. That reminds me of something.
I know! The teacher could use the cards for voting.
How?
The ones who want football can show a round card.
Putting it on screen. A round card means you want football.
And the ones who want television can vote with a rectangular card.
A rectangular card means you want television.
Brilliant. Let's send them the idea. Use cards to show what you want to do.
Use cards to vote.
She's getting things sorted.
She's going to get the information.
They're going to vote. That's 1 vote for television and 1 vote for football.
Who's going to win?
So we've got a record of what everyone wants. And as you can see, there are more votes for football. The teacher has the information she needs. And the ones who wanted television don't mind, because they can see for themselves there's more votes for football.
We've beaten the puzzler's challenge.
Oh, once again, you're out of trouble. So off I go, me and my bubbles.
Come back now, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done, 4.
Managed to beat the puzzler again.
All thanks to having the right information.
And it's all on screen.
The waitress didn't know what food the people had ordered. She didn't have the information.
And the teacher didn't know what was more popular, football or television.
But the waitress kept a record of what food was needed by using little pictures of food.
And the children made a record of what they wanted by voting for it.
Football got the most votes.
And that's how we beat the puzzler.
Hi, 6. We've been having a go on the jump pad.
I bet you can't work out which of us has had the most goes.
Well, I'll try. I think I can work it out. Can you see from the record who has had the most goes? And who has had only 1 go? And who should go next? And then maybe you could make your own record of something that you do. And call the Numberjacks!